Hi, this is Lisa at A Couples Place. We offer couples counseling in North Carolina and in San Francisco and California. We offer an evidence-based approach to couples counseling based on the Gottman method. And essentially, wherever you are in your relationship, whether you're premarital or you've been together for quite a while, you need a tune-up, or perhaps you're coming in because you really need some serious repair. We want to help you enhance or understand and learn how to manage differences and conflict, but also how to stay connected in your friendship and what shared meaning is for you as a couple, and how to support one another in those areas that you don't share, in your independent dreams and aspirations that you may or may not share. All are equally important, and those are the areas that we focus on in A Couples Place. We use an evidence-based approach called the Gottman method. It really is a nuts and bolts approach to good relationship communication based on research of couples who had good communication as well as those who really struggled. There's a contact link to the upper right of the webpage. I want to really encourage you to click that and give us your contact information, or just call us or email us. And we can set up a 15-minute meet and greet, would be with me, and check in with each other to find out what your needs are, and I'll share with you how we might be able to help you. So welcome again, and I'm glad that you're here. Thank you.